What is going on, you guys? Tutorial Tim here. Today I'm going to show you how to use some keyboard shortcuts to navigate the layers panel. So this is going to be the first video in my series that I'm going to create, and it's also going to be a playlist on my YouTube channel so you can access other tips and tricks in Figma that I have for you. Just in case you don't already know all the keyboard shortcuts to navigate the layers panel in Figma, I'm going to show you that, and they're also labeled here in text or written out. So basically we're just going to go through these in whatever order I apply it to this screen. So basically, I'm just going to show you how to navigate using all these keyboard shortcuts, and this link is also available in the description. You can duplicate the file to kind of just test out these keyboard shortcuts if you don't know them already. I would imagine most of you do. If you don't, that's great. This video is for you, and let's get started. So I'm just going to select the parent frame here, which is labeled 000, and that's my parent frame. And notice I clicked that with my mouse, but from here on out I'm just going to be navigating using the keyboard shortcuts we have displayed here in text, all the way from enter to option L. And with this frame, if I hit enter, it's going to take me a level deep and also select everything within the parent frame. The parent frame being, if I hit shift return, it's going to take me back to the parent frame we had selected initially. So notice that when you hit enter, it'll take you one level deep within your layers panel, and you will have everything selected within your parent frame. And now, so now that we have everything selected, how do we navigate down now that we're at the level deep, now that we're at the level we desire in terms of the layers panel, if that makes sense. So if I hit tab, it'll take me to just selecting one of the items. Notice that the bottom navigation is selected here. And if I continue to tab through, it'll take me through the layers panel, all the way through everything that is grouped, every frame. It'll take me through every frame. If you tab, and if you keep tabbing, it'll just take you down. And if you want to go back up, you can just shift tab to go up in the layers panel, or tab to go down. And also, say you have a bunch of layers open and you want to minimize all of them. Say I hit enter to go one level deep, which is just text, and then I hit shift return to go back out, and then go down, hit enter. I got all these other layers. Like, there's just a crazy amount of layers here. Hit shift return tab, shift return tab. I just got a bunch of layers, right? They're just, everything's really open. I'm just gonna open up this layers panel so you can see all the layers, the namings, the name of each layer. Then if I hit enter again, you'll notice I just got more layers, and it's really dense, and it's too much to view. If you'd like to consolidate this view to just all of the layers within the parent frame, which is labeled 000, just hit shift return, access your list here, and then hit option L. And option L will allow you to minimize everything that you were opening that's within the parent frame 000. And those are all the tips and tricks I have for you today, folks. If you found that video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment on some other video you'd like. And if not, I'll catch you in the next one.